A car battery that isn't charging with a charger can be caused by several factors. One possible reason is that the wiring has become loose, likely due to driving over rough terrains, which weakens the electrical connection between the battery and the alternator. To correct this, it's essential to reattach the loose wires correctly and exercise caution when driving on rough terrains. Another reason could be that the car battery is worn out or corroded, particularly if it's over 3 years old, as it can lose up to 90% of its charge and even fail to charge, making replacement necessary. A faulty or damaged alternator can also be the culprit, as it's responsible for charging the car battery when the vehicle is in motion. And if it's not functioning properly, it may need to be replaced by a mechanic. Furthermore, incorrect connection of the car battery to the external charger can be the issue, as some vehicles require specific chargers, and it's crucial to use the right one. Additionally, ensuring the negative LED is connected to the negative terminal and the positive LED is connected to the positive terminal is vital. By addressing these potential causes, it's possible to fix a car battery that's not charging with a charger.